I feel like I need to block everything out and stay focused on my goals. Take over the globe.
In a different mind state. I'm playing for keys like in the streets, I want it my way. Hey, fuck that state, we eating beef, we know that crime pay. They say we dogs and every dog gon' have his dying day. Rockin' that demon SRT, that big and sideways.
Alright, y'all, fit of the day. We got the Lions shirt. I got this custom made. We got the blue jeans and the white and blue dunks along with a Lions hat. So as you can see, I'm getting my camera equipment packed up. I got a bunch of batteries getting all charged up. And that's because we're leaving town tomorrow. But I'm not leaving alone. I'm gonna be taking the Trackhawk. The only other time that I've traveled with a vehicle of mine was when I went out to LA with my Hellcat, and ever since then I have not went anywhere with one of my cars. The car transporter just texted me and he is only 1 minute away, and here he is. Oh, y'all thought I was gonna drive the Trackhawk? No, absolutely not. This thing is fully built, makes 1,000 horsepower. It's on E85. There's no way in hell I would be able to drive this for that many hours. Here's his setup. It's a 2-car hauler, and he has a Porsche in there right now. It is, I believe, a 911, and he also has some Porsche wheels. So this is getting dropped off first, and then my car second. But I ended up telling him that it's probably not the best idea to go to, which he's going to New Jersey first. He was basically gonna just unload my car and then unload the Porsche and then put my car back. And I told him it might be dangerous if you are going to a place that's maybe not safe, because car haulers get robbed of Hellcats and Trackhawks and TRXs all the time. It's all over the news. So he thought it was a good idea to load my car first and then put the Porsche behind, just so he doesn't have to unload my car and then get the Porsche out. Oh, this is nice. I like the wheels. You got the peanut butter guts. Oh yeah. I love Porsches and I think they're cool, but they're just boring, at least to me. Don't crucify me in the comments. All right, the Trackiana is going in there. I'm really gonna miss her for one day. She is a big girl. Oh my God. Look at that. Look how wide she is. We got her in there, just barely. Trackhawk is all strapped in and ready to go. Now the Porsche is gonna go on there. This is a Carrera 4S. Well, my time here is officially over. I'm gonna pick the camera back up tomorrow. Alrighty, boys, it is the next day. Got my bag all packed up and we are ready to head to the airport. I almost forgot to mention, we're kind of running late. Made it through security and now we're gonna go get some food because you can't fly hungry. Here's what we're eating. We got grilled chicken, mac and cheese, and potatoes. That's about as healthy of a meal we can get at the airport. It was either this or McDonald's. You know what they say, catch flights, not feelings? Well, I'm catching both. Made it to New York, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, it's good to be back here. All right, we are here. We got a kitchen here. All right, wait, look at the lights. Oh, almost forgot the lights. All right, so here's the kitchen. We got a nice view. All right, we got a dishwasher. Got a bathroom. Okay, we got a shower. All right, here's the rest of the room. We got a TV, of course. And now we got a view of absolutely fucking nothing. What is this shit? This is not what I asked for. We were supposed to have a city view. We got a view of some random motherfucker's apartment. But we still got a view of the city here, at least. I mean, we are in the corner. But hey, I mean, this is better than nothing, right? And now we relax until the car gets here, which should be getting delivered in about an hour. Oh yeah, she looks so good. Wow. Well, my Trackhawk made it to New York. Now the next thing we got to worry about is parking. It's you know, close to impossible to find parking here, especially a safe area, so you know my Trackhawk doesn't get stolen, because you know they're super easy to steal. A 12-year-old kid can steal it. Well, this is officially the first drive in New York in my Trackhawk. The traffic here is just insane. I mean, you got people walking, you got buses, you got bikes, you got big trucks, FedEx trucks, you got all type of stuff here. I don't know why people love New York, but I mean the vibes are nice. And off she goes. Alright, she is gone. So I found a good parking garage that my hotel recommended. It's super safe. I mean, they have an Aston Martin right here with blue interior. That is insane. And look at what they got here. You got a Benz right there. That color is nice. So they're gonna put it right there because they have cameras. It's gonna be super safe here. And then the garage shuts down overnight, so I can't come get it until 6 a.m. next morning. So, I mean, this is a really super safe place. You even have a Bentley right here. And now we're gonna go out and enjoy New York City. We're probably gonna go get food and just have a good time, because tomorrow morning we got a lot of work to do, and I will kind of explain what is exactly going on tomorrow and why we are even in New York. And here's what I ended up getting: a pizza, because you cannot come to New York without getting a pizza. So we got a margarita pizza and a sausage pizza. Good morning, New York. It is the next day and we got a lot to do, and I'm already running late. Now we have a 5-minute walk to get the car, and it is literally raining. So that's super annoying, especially because I fully detailed the Trackhawk before shipping it here. All right, y'all, time to hit the road. We got about a 34-minute drive, only to do 4.8 miles. Of course, that's because New York traffic is just insanity. And it's raining, which doesn't help. Oh boy. I was supposed to be where I'm supposed to be at 10 a.m. and it doesn't look like I'm gonna make it, so we're gonna be about 30 minutes late. Now it's probably a good time to tell you guys exactly why I'm in New York with my Trackhawk. It sounds like such a random thing to do, just show up to New York with your Trackhawk. Well, it's not random. A few weeks ago, a record label and a production company reached out to me, and they want my Trackhawk in a music video. So we had negotiations back and forth. I told them what I need, and they were telling me what they could do for me. And you know, they made me an offer that I wasn't really a fan of, but you know, I told them I'm good, I don't want to do it, and they wouldn't budge. And then later on, they, you know, came back and they're like, we really want your car, and they pretty much gave me what I want. And you know, the lesson in that is always know your worth. Don't be too happy for a certain opportunity that you forget your worth. So I kind of stuck with what I wanted out of this, and you know, they eventually gave it to me, and that's because I believe in myself and I know the value I provide, and you know, I know that they can't get another purple Trackhawk, so that helps as well. But anyways, we agreed to everything, and that's why I'm in here. They basically paid for flights for 2 people, flying Delta of course. They paid for a really nice hotel in Manhattan. They paid for the transportation, enclosed transportation of my Trackhawk from Michigan to New York, and then from New York back to Michigan. And it is not cheap at all. It's Thanksgiving week, so you know, there's not many drivers working, so it was very, very pricey. It's only a 9-hour drive from Michigan to New York. But if I told you guys how much it cost, which I'm not gonna tell you guys, but it was an insane amount, okay? But they made it happen. And also on top of all that, I told them my fee of being here, because I obviously had to take time off filming and you know, everything that I usually do. So you know, eventually they gave me everything I wanted, and I'm glad I didn't, you know, cave in and just took the first offer they gave me. I'm glad I knew my worth, and you know, we were able to make it happen. So that's why we're here. We made it to the first location with the Trackhawk, and there are a lot of people here. This is a huge set. I mean, there's like 30 people, but now we gotta take this off. So that has to come off. And of course, I'm gonna be compensated for that because I gotta get this thing installed again when I head back to Michigan. The artist just pulled up and back-to-back Escalades, and they're over here. I don't wanna go interrupt them, but they pulled up really deep. That's him right there. This is the setup. Look at all these cameras. And then you got the production van here. And there's just, I think there's the producer. And there's also another Trackhawk pulling up. So I guess they got a normal color Trackhawk and they went and got it wrapped purple. I'm not sure what shade of purple, but another Trackhawk that's purple is gonna pull up too. Here's the second Trackhawk. It looks blue on camera, but it's really, really purple in person. Compared to mine, it looks more blue, but they're both purple. Well, just like that, the music video is all done. I thought I would have to go to 2 locations, but they said I'm good to go. It's 3 p.m., about 3:30. I've been here since 10:30, so it took about, I don't know, 4 or 5 hours. Shout out to everyone. Shout out to Jacker, the producer, who's a big-time producer. Shout out to the production company. Shout out to everybody. And he's out of here. So this guy, they got him to wrap his car in literally 24 hours just for the music video, and he didn't actually like it. He doesn't like the color purple, so he is about to take it off. But yeah, he's out of here, the artist is out of here, and I'm out of here. For those who don't know who the artist is, his name is Sa Baby. I'll put his name up here so you guys could look him up. He actually makes really good music. The song this video is for is a song called Vikings or something like that. Really good song, you know, I'm not being biased. We're out of here. That's the producer right there, or director. A lot of people showed up too. And you got cops everywhere. I'm not gonna lie, it was super fun and everyone was super professional. They did everything by the books according to the contract we signed. I made sure no one was gonna smoke in the car and no one was gonna stand on the car, because I know a lot of rappers don't really respect certain things, you know, where they want to step on the car. Like Kodak did a video with a demon and just hopped on top of the roof and started dancing on it. And it's literally in the video. The owner gets super mad that he did that. So, you know, shout out to everybody involved. Shout out to the artist, his friends, the production team, Warner Bros, which is who he signed to. That's the record label. So yeah, everyone great to work with, and you know, loved it. Now we're gonna head back to the garage to put the Trackhawk away because it is getting picked up tomorrow to head back to Detroit. It's just insane how much money they invested in getting my car to New York for a 4-hour video. Like, it's just insane to think about. Off she goes. The Trackhawk is tucked away for the night. Now I'm gonna walk back to the hotel, but check out this Cullinan with the Montana plates. If you know, you know. And for those who don't know why some people have Montana plates, that is because they don't pay sales tax. You got annoying people honking in New York all day long.